Hello, welcome once again to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create navigation bar like what we just shown to you. So there's how navigation bar looks like. So at the bottom of your web page, you will see something like this. So you see home, product, contact, and about. So I'm going to show you how to design something like this on your web page. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So I'll start by creating a new document and I will name it nav.html. So please make sure you pay attention to this tutorial because you apply it to build a web page in the next video. So please make sure you pay attention to that. And I will create CSS document too. As you know, I'm going to link the CSS with the HTML. So yeah, I'll just enter the shortcut, which is what, shift 1 exclamation mark, then what, you press enter and you see the format over there. But on phone you won't see something like this, even though you can type all these things, but you can't type the exclamation mark to get the shortcut. So I'll just copy the whole of these, then send it to you on WhatsApp, then you paste it on your Trap Edit app and start from where and then link your CSS with the HTML. So here I'm linking the CSS with the HTML, and to link it, after the title you enter link rel sheet ref, then you enter the name of the CSS document, which is nav.css, then you bring the less than sign. So after here I'll come to my body, then create the heading. So heading 1, then you enter Arrival Graphics. So I'll preview my work for you to see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like after I preview my work. So I'm going to enter create a navigation bar. So to do that, you enter nav, the start tab for nav and the end tab for nav. Then from here I'll create navigation element, then create list for that. So for the element is for the list is UL, so that's the navigation list. Then I'll add navigation element, which is what, li. So that'll be the list. I'm going to create navigation element list like home, product, about, contact, and minimal. So that's the navigation list. So that one, after the URL you enter li, then you enter a. So right after the start tab for li, you enter greater than a, less than, then the open and the what, start tab for a. So in the start tab for a, you enter href, then contact.html or home.html. So you enter home there. So I'll copy the whole of this. This is the navigation list. So I'll copy the whole of this, then paste it, then change the name. I'll change the home to contact, product, and about. So I'll come to the second line, then change it to product, then the third one I'll change it to about, then contact. So that's how it be like. So make sure your format follow the same pattern like what we are showing to you. So please make sure you don't miss anything out, else you won't be able to create something like this. So make sure you follow the same pattern. So right now I'm going to apply my CSS to modify my HTML document. So I'll go to CSS document, then use it to modify the HTML document that I'm working on. But before that, I'll set for class for navigation. So I'll enter class over there. Then enter nav bar. As I was saying, I'm going to apply navigation bar. So I'll just navigate from home to product to contact, then about. So that's why I created one navigation bar. So right now you can't see it over there unless I apply my CSS. So I'm going to the CSS document, then apply it over there. I'm going to use it to modify the HTML document. But before that, I'll set for main 2 as well before I'll move on to the CSS document to modify the HTML. So I'll go to main, then enter heading 2. So for the heading 2, I will type this is page 1. Then create paragraph. As usual, to create paragraph, greater than P1 less than. Then I'll just go and copy some statement, then use it as my paragraph. I can't enter the whole of this, so I'll just copy it, then paste it over there. So right now I'm going to apply my CSS format. So I'm going to use the CSS document to modify the HTML. So first of all, I'll modify the heading, and that one I'll type H1, then what? Brackets close and brackets open. Then type color. So I'll change the font color to blue. Then set for alignment for the text. So alignment of the text, I'll set it to center. I'll let the arrival graphics be at the center. So here, when I set it to center, you could see my arrival graphics has been shifted to center. So right now what I will do is to enter the nav bar. Nav bar. So I'm going to search for navigation bar, nav bar UL, then bracket close and bracket open, then type list star type. So I'll select list star type. I'll undo my work. I don't want position. So I'll select list star type, then type none. I don't want to see the dot over there, so I'll just remove it. And to do that, you select list star type and the type should be none. Then I'll change the background color to blue or blue violet is not clear, so I would like to set it to orange. I think this color is okay. Then set for paddings, and that one too, I'll type 0 pixel. Then move on to margin. So for the margin too, I will type 0 pixel. So for the next one, I will copy the nav bar, then paste it. So that one is for the the nav element. So this one, the nav list. So the home and the product that I just set for, I set for the star and the color. But here I'm going to set for the bar. So the bar, I would like to make the the font color for the navigation element be white. So here you can see the color has been changed to white. So the text, I'm changing it to white. Then I will decorate the text, so I don't want to see the underline over there. So if you don't want the text to be decorated, you select none. So if you want italic format, you set for the text decoration, you set for italic. If you want it to be bold, you set for bold. If you want it to be underlined, you set for underline. But here I don't want to see any underline over there because I'm going to use the navigation bar to navigate these text that you are seeing over there. So no need for me to underline it. So for the display, I'll set block. Then the text alignment too, I will set it to center. So I'll shift the text to center, the center of the navigation bar. So here you can see the text have been shifted to the center of the navigation bar. So I'll copy the navigation bar again, then press on the backspace button, then enter column, then set for hover. So I'm searching for navigation hover. So it's the navigation hover that I'll use to scroll. So if you want to scroll, it's the navigation hover that you use for that. So it's a navigation hover that here you can see I'm using the navigation hover to navigate the text. So if I want to click on home, you can see the moment I select home, you will see some black listing. The text will be highlighted black. So that's how the hover does. It will indicate that you have selected that text. So right now I'm almost done. That's all for today's work. This is how we create navigation bar in HTML and CSS. So when you are creating a web page, you will need something like this. So to create a navigation bar at the bottom of your web page, this is how we go about it. So please make sure you take this lesson serious. You will apply it in the next tutorial. Thank you for joining us. See you in our next video. Bye bye.